Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is English CG Wala. Today topic is very important for all English learner. Today topic is fluent speaker biggest secret. So many people ask me, how do you fluent English speaker speak so confidently? So do they know perfect grammar? Did they learn English from childhood? Today I will share the real secret of fluent speaker. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. The biggest secret of fluent speaker is this. They don't wait for perfection. Yes, you heard right. Grammar to short speaking. Yes, this is the truth. Beginner think my grammar is weak. I will make mistakes. People will laugh at me. So they stay silent. But fluent speaker do something different. They speak first, they make mistakes, then they learn while speaking. So they focus in communication, not a perfection. That is why they become fluent. Second thing is that mindset different. Yes, they have a different mindset. Beginner say, first I will learn English, then I will speak. Fluent speaker say, first I will speak, then I will learn English. This mindset changes everything. Remember one thing very clearly. Making mistakes will not stop you English. Not speaking will I stop you English. So mistakes are part of learning. What fluent speaker do daily? So I let me tell you one thing. What type of method every fluent speaker should follow? So let me tell you what fluent speaker do every day. So first thing is that they speak English daily. Yes, you heard right. They speak to themselves to front of a mirror on mobile recording with simple sentence. For example, I am learning English. Today is a good day. I will improve step by step. Simple sentence build strong confidence. Keep this thing in your mind. Simple sentence build strong confidence. Then second thing is that they start thinking in English. Yes, fluent speaker don't translate from their mother tongue. They think directly in English. For example, translate मुझे भूख लगी है. Direct thought I am hungry. Start with a small thought in English. Third thing is that they don't worry about accent. Fluent speaker don't worry about a perfect accent. They only care about one thing. It is a learner understanding me or not. Accent improves later. Confidence come fast. Then action plan for every beginner. What will you do? Yeah, what do you do to improve your fluency? So if you are a beginner and do these three things from today, definitely you will be fluent in this language. So you can follow this method from today, then say you will see drastically result on your fluency. So first thing is that speak English for 5 and 10 minutes on daily basis. No matter what, how much you know about English and how much grammar you know. No matter that. Matter is that you will have to speak on daily basis. Second thing is that don't fear mistakes. Fear is a part of learning. Fear is not your fault. It's not a crime. So it's just a part of learning. Third thing is that use simple English. Yes. If you are beginner, so don't try to speak long and complicated sentence. Start with a small sentence so that you can gain confidence while speaking. So always remember one thing in your mind: fluent speakers are not special pupil. They are just pupils who never stop speaking. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel and comment below. I will learn English from today. Thanks you for watching. See you in the next video.